Hey everyone, Logan here in beautiful Charleston, South Carolina, and today I want to show you how to deploy a dive door ladder on a Tidewater. Now today we're on the 272cc Adventure, and let's go ahead and dive on in. So first we got to do, of course, is open the door. Pretty simple. Hopefully y'all figured that out already. Go slide that open. Next we're going to take our dive door ladder. This will be stored in your center console area, and simple and easy, not much to it. You can see a little hook right down there in the bottom. That piece is going to go on in there. Just let her drop down and over to the side. And then to extend the ladder, there's a little plastic piece. You're going to go ahead and unhook that. The ladder drops automatically down. Thanks for watching this quick video on how to use your dive door ladder on a Tidewater boat. If y'all have any questions, leave a comment below. Like the video, subscribe, have fun out there in the water, and be safe.